Hello and welcome back to Glass Painting with Jack. It's good to see you here. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe in the button down below or the one that pops up at the end. And if you want to get notifications every time I post, please don't forget to hit the little bell. This week I'm going to show you how I painted this tattoo style rose on a champagne flute. I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm using Pabo's Vitria 160 range of paints, and I start off using their outline relief cream. Today I'm using black and I'm painting directly onto my champagne flute. I tend to use templates when I'm teaching other people to paint on glass, but when I'm working on the glass myself, I use my relief cream freehand, but I always have a sketch. I'm working today from a sketch that I did previously. I find that if I can draw something on paper, then I know that I can paint it on glass. I find that having something visible to refer to really helps me get the image down the way I want it to. Although out of shot, I was adding the stem to the long stemmed rose to complete the outline of the design. Now it's time to add the colour. I'm working with orange and yellow, and I'm using both colours at the same time and while still wet, and you see here me blending them into one another to create a smoky blended effect. I use this blending technique throughout the rose and continue to fill in all the colour. This tattoo rose design was first inspired by one of my son's primary school teachers, who absolutely loved roses, tattoos and the colour orange. And there you have it, my finished tattoo rose. So if you enjoyed this short video showing me painting this beautiful tattoo rose, please don't forget to like this video, and I'd love to hear back from you in the comment section below. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the little subscribe button and hit the bell too if you want to get notifications every time I post. And please feel free to tell all your friends. Until next time, bye!